Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal with credit card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, and if you want to add money to your PayPal, but you want to use it with your credit card, so you're going to like link your credit card first. So to do that, what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this add card or bank option so that we can add your card and then link it to your PayPal. So now click on this link a debit or credit card option. So click on it, and then once you have clicked on it, so now all you have to do is simply plug in the details of your credit card. So whatever the credit card that you want to use, so just plug that in and then hit on link card. So when you click on link card, so this card will be added to your PayPal account. So once you have added to your PayPal account, so now your payments and everything will be gone through your credit card, and that's how you can use your credit card to add money to your PayPal. So simply you can, if you go to once you've linked it, so click on this send a request option or your wallet, and then you can simply add money to your PayPal using your credit card as it's been linked now. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.